Good morning. The opportunity I'm providing for you today is a trap grease biorefinery. So a trap grease biorefinery we're looking to build in northwest area here in the Seattle-Tacoma area, and it'll produce approximately 5 million gallons per year of biofuel. We'll also take the waste product from that and put it into an anaerobic digester and produce biogas as well. So we're producing 2 different types of biofuel from the facility to provide a very good value chain. So what is trap grease? Yum, it's wonderful stuff here. Want to get a spoon out and just eat it. So trap grease, if you've heard of used cooking oil, UCO. UCO is the fryer grease. It's a traded commodity on the Chicago Board of Trade. It's used to make biofuels. It's very much in demand and has very high value. Well, trap grease is kind of like the poor cousin of the UCO. Trap grease is the grease that goes down the drain. It's all the nasty stuff that gets washed down the drain. It goes into a grease trap. The grease trap gets pumped out. So for collecting that trap grease, we basically intercept the pumping. We have the pumper truck, instead of going to a landfill or elsewhere, he comes to our facility, we separate out the grease, we process it and turn it into biofuel. What is the issue with trap grease? Well, it clogs up the sewers. You may have heard about the big fatberg in London that formed. That was all trap grease and wipes. So don't flush your wipes or your grease because they form fatbergs. So it's a real problem in the sewer systems, and most of it that is collected ends up in landfill. Now there's also an opportunity there because tied to the population, about every 3.8 million people in population produce enough for a 5 million gallon per year biofuel plant. So that's our opportunity. This is what the plant looks like. You can see the water and solids are separated to go to an anaerobic digester, and the biofuel is converted through an enzymatic process into a usable fuel. The enzyme technology is a patented technology. We developed it with our partner in Israel. We have exclusive license for it in North America. The advantage of this enzyme is it's a solid enzyme. It stays in our reactors. It doesn't get lost, and it can be reused over for more than a year at a time. We have a demonstration plant that we've been operating for over 3 years, so it's a proven process. We're producing approximately 1 million gallons per year out of this demonstration facility, so it is an at-scale facility. And again, it's been in continuous operation with the same enzyme. The biofuel market is a strong market. Even with the current climate, biofuel usage is increasing. If you look at the renewables on the chart, you can see that through 2050, they're projected to continue to increase along with petroleum use. We also get a very good carbon premium on our product. The trap grease has the lowest carbon intensity of any of the typical biofuels that are used, and the feedstocks for biofuels, and for that reason it gets a very high carbon premium. The plant itself shows a very strong forecasted revenue and strong EBITDA. And the one issue, of course, is it's expensive to build these plants, about $23.5 million to build the plant, and we're looking for about $11 million in equity to help fund it. The rest will be primarily debt funding. We have a very strong team, over 150 years of experience between us, building, operating, and managing biofuel facilities. So the team is very experienced. We're all a bunch of old guys. It's a very good opportunity. We did a survey down the West Coast of available brown grease or trap grease, And we're showing that we can produce 80 or more million gallons per year of biofuel from what the survey showed is available. And our guess is we're only identifying half of that. So thank you very much, and happy to answer any questions.